Hello, I'm Jordi from Conscious Mind. Today, I'll guide you through a meditation session to boost your confidence and connect with your true self. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's begin. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your chest and lungs, and exhale, releasing any remaining tension in your body. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in positive energy. As you exhale, let go of everything that no longer serves you. Continue to inhale positive energy, allowing it to absorb any negativity, cleanse, and release it as you exhale. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful garden where warm sunlight gently shines down, surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery. You feel the life and strength from nature, with a gentle breeze bringing you a sense of calm and freedom. Let yourself merge into this space, feeling the tranquility from the environment around you. Direct your attention to your heart. Visualize a powerful and radiant light within, emanating from your heart and spreading throughout your body. This light carries confidence and inner strength. With each breath, this light becomes stronger and wider, enveloping you in a circle of protection. Now think of a moment in the past when you overcame a significant challenge, when you demonstrated resilience and capability. Recall the feeling of pride and happiness when you achieved that. Let those positive emotions spread throughout your body, reinforcing your belief in yourself. Repeat in your mind the following affirmations. I am strong enough to overcome any challenge. I trust in my abilities. Feel each word, each phrase, spreading and sinking deep into your soul, like seeds sprouting into vibrant green plants. Before we end this meditation, I'd like to share a story about a friend of mine who found confidence and strength within herself. Maria was a young woman who often felt insecure about herself. She frequently worried about not being good enough and was fearful when facing life's challenges. One day, Maria decided to join a meditation course to seek peace and improve her self-confidence. Throughout the course, Maria learned to focus on her breath and connect with her body and mind. She began to visualize a radiant light within her, a light of confidence and strength. Each day, she took time to breathe deeply and imagined this light growing stronger, spreading throughout her body. Gradually, Maria realized she had changed. She started to feel more confident, facing challenges with courage, and no longer feeling afraid. One day, Maria was invited to give an important speech. Instead of worrying, she took a deep breath, felt the light within her, and stepped onto the stage with glowing confidence. Maria's speech was a great success. She received applause from the audience and felt immensely proud of herself. From then on, Maria understood that the strength and confidence always resided within her, as long as she knew how to harness and believe in it. Carry this confidence and strength with you throughout your day. You are a precious being, and the world is a brighter place because of your existence. Take a deep breath, slowly come back to the present, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember that you are valuable and deeply loved just as you are.